Chapter 6 Geography. Hello friends, today we will be doing question answers of Chapter 6 Major Landforms of the Earth. It's a geography chapter of class 6. We will also be doing the exercise questions like tick the correct option and fill in the blanks. So let's start with question answers of this chapter. Now, question 1 of this chapter is what are the major landforms of the earth? The major landforms of the earth are mountains, plateaus, and plains. So there are total 3 major landforms of the earth. Now, question number 2 is what is the difference between mountains and plateaus? A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface. It's a natural elevation of the earth's surface, and a plateau is elevated flatland. It is elevated and but mountains is natural elevation. Now, second point is it is considerably higher than the surrounding area. It is always means living sometime it is higher than the surrounding area. And plateau, it is a flat top table land standing above the surrounding area. It is also above, but it is a flat. It is flat from the top. That is why it is also known as tableland. Flat means it's flat like a table, and mountain is not flat like a table at the top. It is having a peak, sharp peak. Now, third point, mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. Mountains are rich in flora and fauna. Now, plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposit, not in flora and fauna. This is also the difference. Now, question number 3 is what are the different types of mountain? The different types of mountain are fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain. There are total 3 type of mountains. Now, question 4, what are the mountains? Means how are the mountains useful to man? The mountains are storehouse of water. Now, when we want to store water, so mountains store water for us. That is why we say storehouse. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigation and generating of hydroelectric. So, it is also used in irrigation for farming and used for hydroelectric. Means when we generate hydroelectric, so then also it is used. Mountain have a rich variety of flora and fauna. So it is having a rich variety of flora and fauna. That is why also fourth point, mountain provides idyllic site for tourists. Means it's a beautiful place, so people can go and live there and see the beauty for there. Now tourists visit the mountain for the scenic beauty. Scenic beauty means for the background, for the place. It's having so much beautiful its places. So that is why the people are going there. Now several sports like paragliding, hang gliding, river rafting and skiing are popular in the mountains. As nowadays we can do some sports like paragliding, hang gliding. So people also go there, and these are popular in the mountains. There are many games like these that people like to do in mountain areas. Now, how are plains formed? The plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. Rivers and their tributaries means like river Ganga is a river and its tributary is Sun River. The plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. The river flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them. They carry forward the eroded material, then they deposit their load consisting of stones, sand, and silt along their courses and in the valleys. It is from these deposits that plains are formed. So now they are saying they go and mountains are erode them. they carry forward the eroded material, means they are carrying it till coming down. They are carrying the eroded material, then they deposited their load consisting of stones. Now they have deposited at one place the load of consisting of stone, sand and silt, anything courses in the valleys. It is from these deposits that plains are formed. The river and tributaries give these deposits so that the plains are formed by these. Now, question 6 is why the river plains are thickly populated. Because river plains are thickly populated because plains are very fertile. Transport network is easy. Plains are the most useful for human habitation. Means plains are very fertile, means we can grow much crop then as compared to mountains. And transport network is easy as it is plain, so we can go from one place to another very easily on the plains. Now plains are the most useful for human habitation. Oh, we all are using the plain, leaving the people who are living in mountain, because it is very much useful for human habitation. Why mountain are thickly populated? Now question 7. Uneven topography, harsh climate. The climate is also harsh, means sometimes much hot, sometimes much cold, maybe like this. Less land available for farming. Now the farmers cannot, every farmer cannot do farming as in the hilly areas, means mountains. There is less of land for farming, fewer employment opportunities. Now if we go for employment, so it they are very much few. Fear of disaster like landslides, there is so much fear. People fear that maybe the mountain broke, maybe landslides will be there, anything could be happen. So that is the question 7. Now we come to the tick the correct answer. The mountains differ from the hills in the terms of elevation, slope, aspect. So the answer is elevation. Glaciers are found in the mountains, the plains, the plateaus. So the answer is the mountains. The Deccan Plateau is located in, so the options are Kenya, Australia or India. So answer is India. The river Yangtze flows in South America, Australia or China. So the answer is China. An important mountain range of Europe is the Andes, the Alps, the Rockies. So the answer is the Alps. Now fill in the blanks. First is a dash is an unbroken, flat or low level land. So the answer is a plain. 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 The Himalaya and the Alps are example of dash types of mountains. So the answer is fold type of mountains. Dash areas of are rich in mineral deposits. Plateau areas are rich in mineral deposit. Plateau. Fourth, the dash is line of mountains. Range. Range. Fifth, the dash areas are most productive for farming. Plain. So we have done all the exercise of this chapter. Next video I will be there with next question answers for any chapter. Okay, bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Give your suggestions in the comment box. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.